Hi everybody, Zarina here, aka Woolly Nomad, and welcome to another woolly episode. Right, so today I want to show you how to cast off using a crochet hook. So I like to do like a stretchy cast off normally, but I'm thinking it's a shawl. It doesn't need to be stretchy, it just needs to be just even and flat and nice, and I think a crochet cast off is the best one for this. Now my shawl is quite big now, really big. It started here, this little tiny tail, and it's a triangular shawl, and I will show it to you in sort of situ or on a model or something. Let's see who I can grab to do it. Right, so let's get on with this crochet cast. I'm going to move some of it out of the way so you can see. I'm using my super bulky yarn, and it's kind of multicolored, so it's given this really nice multicolored effect to the shawl. And I used a 6mm needle, so I'm going to use a 6mm crochet hook, and that should be fine. If you find it's a bit tight, you might need to go up a size to like a 6.5. I've got these really nice colourful ones my mum gave me a while back. They were in a set, so it's like a whole bunch of them. They've got a case somewhere too. But anyway, more on that. Right, so I'll do a bit of crochet today. So what you do is, with your hook, I mean, if you're not a crocheter as such, it doesn't matter, because you kind of use it like a bit like a knitting needle anyway, right? So you pop your, wait a minute, still got too many things in the way. Let's move them out of shot. Right, so what you do is you pop your crochet needle in as if to knit, and then you pick up the yarn from behind, or you can just take it around as if you're knitting, to be honest, and you pull it out like so. There you go, and that's one done. And then you take it off, you take that stitch off, and then you do it again with the next stitch. And you can do it, I mean, you can go over as if you're knitting like this, or you can just pick up like so, you know. With the crochet, kind of wind it around your fingers and stuff. There we go, and there it is. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it through the other stitch like so. Right, and then I'll do the next one. Pick it up, and it's a bit tight. And then take it through like so. Oops. Yeah, you don't want to like pull the stitches too tight or anything, because you don't want like a tight edge. But this kind of, you know, you could do it like as if you're knitting like that, and then you just pull it through like that, or you can do it as if you're crocheting like so, and pull it through like that. And you see, you get a really nice flat edge is what you get. This is what I like about it. So yeah, so you know, you'll find a way to do this really easily and quickly. I find it's quite quick as well, that's why I kind of like it. But what you got to remember is that if you are too tight with your stitch, then it's, you know, if you pull it too tight, then you will get a more tighter edge. So that's why I say you might need to go up a needle, sorry, a hook size. Oops. Hang on, it's stuck. What I kind of tend to do is I sort of wrap around the finger there at the end, hold it like that when I crochet, like so. Oh, 1 minute, I've got too many now. I haven't done that one. Let's take this one through first. There you go. Right, that one through like so. There you are. Yeah, so you get a nice kind of flat edge. And like I said, if you're not a crocheter, you can use it a bit like a knitting needle. Like so. and then pull through there, like that. And it's kind of as if to knit. Maybe you get kind of a looser edge like that as well, actually. But probably the two different techniques will give you a tighter or a looser edge. Well, that stitch is definitely a bit bigger, but it doesn't matter. It's just because I'm just showing you stuff. When you do it normally without a camera, it should come out pretty perfect. But yeah, let me do one again. Yeah, get in there again and do it as a crochet stitch, like so. It's quite nice actually if you knit and crochet, because then, you know, doing something that's a bit of crochet on your knitting is often nice. I have got a pattern out there with a crochet edge on it, so I'll link that down below, as well as this one has this pattern. So I've got this pattern out there too. So the pattern is for this, it's a very basic super bulky scarf really, but you could do it in any yarn and it'll be smaller or bigger, whatever. But it's just a plain knit, and the idea is that, you know, when something's stripy and it's already got a lot of colour, you know, pattern gets lost, you know. The seed stitch though is making the colour sort of do this sort of thing, which is quite nice. So that's the edge, that's the last edge. So with this pattern you kind of cast on with like 4 or 6 stitches or something like that, and then you just increase one every alternate row until you get to the seed stitch. Then you do the seed stitch, and then you do the cast off. And really you can do any cast off you want, but I think in the pattern it's just a normal cast off, but you know, I thought let's do a crochet one. It's almost like cast off of your choice really. There you go. But it's a nice beginner friendly pattern as well. It takes a while to knit up, but not as long as like a 4-ply or a DK one even would take. I mean, this didn't take me that long to knit, to be honest with you, and it's quite big. It's huge. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you found that easy and informative. I try to make things easy and informative, but I do waffle a bit, so apologies for any waffling. Unless you like waffling, in which case there you go. Right, signing off for now.